Sometimes you'll need to take a customer's order over the phone or in person. You can do that by creating an order from your Wix dashboard. In this video, we'll show you how to do just that. Go to the Orders page and click Add New Order. Start by adding items to your order. Orders can include products, services, and custom items. This time, let's add a product. Search for a specific product from your catalog. Keep in mind that if a product is hidden on your store or is out of stock, you can still add it to the order. Choose a variant and click Add to Order. Now let's add a service. Search for a specific service and continue to the session details. Here, select the location, staff member, date, time, and set a price. Lastly, you can choose to notify your client with an email. Then click Add to Order. Now let's add a custom item. Start by giving your item a name. Then set a price and add optional information such as size or material. Then click Add. If needed, you can also add a custom fee such as insurance on the item, tip, gift packaging, and more. On the order page, you can easily adjust the quantity of items or remove them. Now that the order includes items, let's fill out the customer information. You can easily look up an existing customer using the search bar or add a new one. You can also add discounts to orders you create. Discounts apply to the entire order and not to individual items. To stay organized, you can add a note with the reason for the discount for documentation. Your customer won't see it. Now let's add shipping. If you want to use a location-based shipping rate, make sure the customer has a shipping address. Choose from one of your available shipping, delivery, or pickup options. To save your order, click Create Order. You'll now have the ability to collect payment. When you're ready to charge the customer, go into the order, click Collect Payment, and choose one of the available payment options. If the customer has already paid for the order in a different way, you can just mark it as paid. Now you know how to create an order manually. Thank you for watching.